Omuzano gwo kamaririzo gugwabe gwe byafayo bwanyuma yo kwihwa Ntungamo gukariyo twambarro mu nkambi y'amahe ubwo abatebekanisa baragirwa kamishana w'ebyemizano mu Uganda butaguzanira Ntungamo ahabwo kwerarikirira ndwana hagati y'abeje b'amashomero abiri zitwire nzuba buruku bugana Omuzano gw'abagorekerire kuzomukusumarana za penalty bwanyuma ya timu zombi rukuremwa kuteba za gol etyo kitungano ko kutunga gol ibiri zidakika za muheru zorumo na penalty yatebwa roho Evans kandi tumwe bazajusho ko yatebe ya kabiri gwaho kutyo kujaguza kwatandika bakuru b'amashomero mu Ntungamo basha bakureba ngo bakora burikiro kubasika ukweza w'indwana kandi Kagambe yabe ya kabiri yahebwe medali rero kitunga yahebwe chikopo hamwe n'imedali
Ozana zaniwe Wetera high school kutunga good and those want to make it a culture of bringing or hosting finals in the foreign land. Take note of that. Take heed of that. It was a recommendation from the Minister of Education, signed by the Commissioner of Sports, that when Kagamba meets Chitunga, we fry them off Ntungamo because of the previous history. I say refrain from such.
Tusubiza abagize bitubona bazarugene zibanda zakora ikintu cyamani twira ntware ibikopo byinji munonga district ya Ntungamo kandi nyenda kumanyisa abantu bona bakutureba kugira ngo kora kurungi mu sports konka no mu academics performing kurungi.
It is so unfortunate mu teams za rwabo muka bahagize babagwetebekanisize kureba bakashemerwa konka eventually twahenda tubizanire makeke ikitwakikorecho nabwa security grounds abo kuba izi teams zibiri zine history yo kugira ngo zikazira Rwandeho kandi haza mu injari zamani.
Patriotism is about the love of the nation. You cannot love your nation when you don't love yourself, and you can't love yourself when you don't love your brothers and sisters.
Habwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.